she's coming for you. Three, four, you better lock your doors. 5, 6, get your sharp pencils. 7, 8, don't stay out late.
Hello? Dave? Yeah, man, me not tell you go and do what you do, man. I pardon bridge in 9 night, man. Go and do what you do, man. What you say? Babe, me not tell you me not make it tonight, man.
Oh, God blessed.
What go on, Dada?
Yeah, no?
Where they pan? Step ins?
Yeah.
Mad.
Yeah.
How can you be there?
She cut, you know.
Cut.
Yeah, man.
Dada, a long time me I tell you to shake this, you know. And come forward, man. You know, man, a gals. Be a girl. Music they are doing. Anyway, music they are be a girl. Where they pan?
Yeah, let's go and kick back. But you have a nice day, so we run around the place. So,
Wow.
second with that,
Solomon and my father. I want to tell you, man, a gals.
Look how me treat my girl good and your girl still stick with you, you know?
I have to know if you hold them, man, that look for man. Man, a gals compare with man.
All
You know what I
right,
mean?
man. No problem, man.
I'll show you how I flick it, Dada. See it there? Same time as me talk, see, I can't take come here.
Alright.
Watch a rehearsal there. Yeah, we'll stick that off for your head. So, man, a gals. One, two, them two. Over your head there, look at that. Watch it. Evening, babe. You alright?
Yeah.
Babe, excuse me now. Give me a talk now. I go into them dark corner. Let me talk to you now. What? Babe, hold on now. Go up in the dark corner there, no moment. Where are you? Nah, go up in the dark corner there. Talk to me no moment. Yo, me I turn back, you know, because I'm not walk down no girl like that. She was in a dark corner, you know.
How are you turn back for you afraid of the dark?
Well, babe, that me I talk about long time, man. Give me a talk, man.
No, just come.
Bomber Clark star! You bite me star! What?
What going on, that?
John Star, you know, so I can't find my bus pass.
Yeah, what you say?
Look like them pick me, man.
Man, not back some man.
Can't find my bus pass, star.
I know.
Yo, what about my dada?
Yeah, you know that it.
Good.
Thing good.
Yeah, man, they're fine. What about my man?
There, look for my bus pass, star.
Oh, you lost your
Can't
bus
find my
pass.
pass.
Yo, I just say Rasta man, please pass me look like I can say a dopey star.
John, you know, so me see the Rasta man fly past star.
I mean, I want
Just run past us like you
one
mean.
down in that place, make him wanna run, sir. You don't know, say me have to go look, say, me see him up the road, the car way, me see him run him good at breathless.
A, B, C, D. چهار تو کدومی؟ level بندی کردن. خب
This
من
is
به منم
breaking
نگفتم،
news.
خودش
Good
کنم.
evening. This is Charlotte York reporting from the London Urban News. News is just in that a black man of Jamaican origins was found last night dead in the North London area. The cause of death is now announced by the forensic officials and by Scotland Yard to be from the drainage of blood from 2 holes which is found on the victim's neck.
Oh my god, look at the news.
It is now
Jamaica
thought
man
to be
getting
from a
blood.
vampire. People
Oh
in this
my
area
God.
are advised to
Wow.
stay indoors and avoid dark alleys at night until this matter has been resolved. This is Charlotte York reporting for London Urban News. Good evening and good night.
Rewind it, I want to see it again.
Oh, can you rewind it?
Yes, you can rewind the live TV.
Oh, okay.
I watched the news last night, time I tell us, be a madness. I mean, say, a man, if a man not land, who them net name out?
I heard something about that.
Yeah,
you know.
some vampire thing.
Yeah, on the news it was kind of shocking still.
That's a no blood in the man body star.
Like a pussy hole that.
Not
you know, see
London,
that
it happened
my brethren.
London, innit? Not London.
Yeah.
Yes, man, me hear it on the news, sir. Definitely.
A big man, this a go from one of the stars. Like right now, if I start walking out some cross and them thing there.
Well, I walk with my bumbo clock, garlic, you know.
And that, you know, some steak, some wooden steak through the heart.
But me I want
You
for some
understand?
like,
We have to
so me I look
secure
for
the
me I want
place.
for something where.
Because I could have more than one of them. You
But it's a
understand?
vampire thing though. I heard some people boy just kill people and kill like a vampire thing. I think about
I
this.
think so, because I'm not checking them thing, they're real enough.
It's cannibalism, you know.
Yeah.
Most definitely. Because blood them one.
Beer madness star.
Cannibalism.
But a real thing I go on
Blood
still.
them
Some
one.
of the real one because you know
Yeah.
the country is a vampire country still.
Well, I mean done. You understand?
Well, the food here so jack, and go on this bumbo clock. Because the man say, we can't shot them, you know. We can't shoot them,
You have
not
to
even
have some
silver
silver
bumbo
bullet.
clock bullet.
So them
So
when
what?
they
What about
powerful-
you ever say some Take to the art thing?
Yes, these ones must be some superhuman vampire. If silver bullet can't deal with them.
A real vampire thing I go about this.
So real monster. So real. I know the laughing matter, you know. One of them whole pan during the night, you know. I what?
How them tell you? A woman thing or a man? Or them not bad enough to wear?
Mm.
Some of them girl boy are wicked still. Most of them girl boy there was some legion, you know.
You know,
But
say
Mr.
I
Girl
blood them
bite my
after.
virgin, you know.
Is that girl do it?
Yeah, man, the girl bite my virgin, yeah. You see that?
I say you can't trust them girl, man. Vampire them boy, you know. When I start walking like my glass in my back pocket. Make sure I see them shadow. I just go and about the place them. I'm touch night. We not touch road, man. I be a man in thing.
Yeah, after hours them operate, don't they? After hours them operate. So you know, a wise
I go up the
guy
road
that-
still, you know. So plenty we link up, you know. The man go easy.
Guidance,
See,
yeah?
my virgin. See,
Attention.
hey, you want to see what happened to me? I'm driving down West Green Road, blood. I see one girl last night. She was fit. I'm telling you, blood, the girl was the boom. Yeah. Of course I've got the number, blood. I come out my car and I was like, yo, put your number in this. She was like, for what? I said, so that I can link you again, innit, blood? Just like that, I get the number. But here what now? I'm at a gate waiting. Of course, bruv, I'm gonna slap that all night. Yeah. Yeah, I was really busy last night. I had pure man to go and link, bruv. You know how the thing go. But anyway, she said I must link her after 12 tonight. Can't wait to link her. Oh my God, bruv. I can't wait to see this girl again. Yeah, she's coming now. I'm outside her gate. Bruv, I swear I'm outside her gate. It's just gone 12 o'clock. I can't wait to see her. You know how long I want a new girl? I'm gonna slap that. Oh my God, what are you doing in the car? I didn't even see how you got in the car. Shit! Hey, Bridget, I'll soon call you back. You're shooking me out. How'd you get in the car, blood? Boy, you're moving like some duppy, man. Anyway, give me a hug. I'm glad to see you. Oh! Oh shit! Oh wow! Grandma, you know me I go down the road, cause I just get a phone call to my friend, dead, so them find him in a car, dead on West Green Road. So them have a vampire bite in his neck. So them find him in a car, dead on West Green Road. So them have a vampire bite in his neck. But me I say, vampire bite, them things they not real, Grandma.
Grandson, I have something long time to tell you. You have to say it now. Cannot keep it up no more. So let her turn the television off. Grandson, it's me grow you. And when you were 8 years old, your parents was killed by a vampire. You should have been dead too. Your parents sacrificed their life that you could live.
So Grandma, them think they really real?
Look at your neck. Right here, so. Where they try to bite you. Because the cure that your parents give you, it was too strong, so that's why they leave you. That's the only reason why you are alive today.
So Grandma, why you never tell me them things there before? You always tell me say, my parents them gone somewhere and them couldn't take me. You never tell me say a vampire killed my parents, grandmother.
I know a man, the only survivor. I'm going to tell you where to go and find him. His name is Accident Man. So go and see that man right now.
Well, Grandma, I don't believe in them vampire thing, but I'm going to go and see him for true. I can't get to them through the place. I can't get so healing. Brother. So healing. I said, Bob. Kakal Bobo Nashiba. What's can't get Bobo?
Once again, the Most High, you're so kind.
Bobo Nashi. How the road about them vampire people them. You ever say boy so healing and so shit man?
What you doing right now on this side?
Yeah man, me can't deal, me know if deal with them people man.
I wanna go up in the east.
I'm good over evil man. For evil I come your way man. Mr. Come and talk to me man. But don't care nobody with you. Evil explain them all that one. Rastafari. Yeah man, they can't see any time man. You have bitters and bark weed. No, we have a... What are they? Oh. So let me work for you. Frankincense hammer. Yeah, we have frankincense hammer. And charcoal. You have charcoal too. No, you have a thing named Bad Back, Ramboat, National Junction Road, Alban Street, Lady Turkey Tower, Bridal West, Sassy Perilla. When we build up that with Cheney Road, man, not spiritual, look like you can't touch it. Alright, me see you now, me see you, alright. Yeah, man, me have the true healing, man, don't let me lay and play, man. The pumpkin seed. Look until you say it's true that play out to man. Alright. And the healing. Yeah man, come for the healing. Come back. Come check me man. Yeah, alright. See you later. Yeah man, the door open man.
Yes, my boss. Respectfully, I have the time to see me still, car.
Yeah man.
I'm
Look
looking
at my bathroom there so I look a small bottle there. Carry come for me there.
Alright.
Yes man. So you alright though?
Yeah, man. I'm good, man.
Yeah man. They survive.
That one,
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
People around there, you have to cut them yesterday, my boy.
Yeah.
You have to cut them way.
Alright.
And they're dangerous, you see.
Man, tell them, man.
Dangerous. Yeah, we catch a meditation.
Sorry for dropping on the ice or something still.
Why?
And my grandmother tell me, say, I can't come link the ice still. Because I have a little issue start. She say, you alone can help me on it. So I say, from what you have be a murder going about the place, but you must see a vampire thing. But you not too believe in a vampire thing still, you know, but
That's it.
my grandmother tell me say a real thing and she say you know a lot about it. Because she say the reason why me are alive today. I show when I look a boy when I about years. My parents get attacked and me dead it one. Them did have one cure and I me them give so the vampire couldn't go.
Pass a book there for me there. Because they never know, they can't deal with me, boy. They can't deal with me. You're blessed. You're blessed, man. You're blessed, man. Make a joyful light unto the Lord, Holy Land. Serve the Lord with gladness, come before his presence with singing. Oh, Father, hear my voice, O God, and my prayer. Serve my life from the fear of enemy. Highly. They can't deal with the man. Hide me from thy secret counsel of the wicked. Yes, my Father, from the insurrection of the workers of iniquity. Selassie. Talk to me, my boy. So what you say, boy?
Last night, them killed my best friend, you know. It's like, can phone me and I tell me, say, I'm going to link this girl and me and I talk on the phone, then me hear me say, oh, the girl that's appearing in my car. Just like that.
Me hear about it, you know.
Yeah, hear about it.
Yes, me hear one girl that go around, she attack people.
Yeah, man, that. When I say, boy, when I talk to my grandmother about it, she say, you're the only man who can survive a vampire attack. So she said, you might can give me some knowledge and hope it can. I'm not avenge my friends telling you.
So what you got, what you want to do? Because she like you?
I never meet this vampire yet, but 2 years ago, I know the same area where me live.
So you feel like she could have circle you because she has circle people and anything? Alright. We do okay. Alright, here what you're going to do then. They're going to tell you the truth. The only way you can deal with her, you have to use a peg. A peg her in her heart.
Yeah?
Yes, you have to go peg her in her heart.
Really?
But you have to go find out where she asleep.
Yeah.
Because you can't go up there at night time.
Yeah.
You have to find her in the day.
Not the day.
So if you don't like you see all the place bright up, do I right time for you to find her.
Alright.
You understand? So
Really?
the way you hear it never locate because it moving a flesh to you know.
Yeah, because my
It
friend
moving
is
a flesh.
a West Greenwood in meters and most of me down there so she
In the the road, it must travel, it must circle in place.
She not stay one place.
We have a peg there where we did use one time.
Yeah.
We have a try see if we can find a peg there. So if anything, if you want to circle me later or when it are you ready, if you find the location, let me know.
One more know still, how you survive that attack there?
Boy, I don't know what I do. God tell me say, maybe not for fear her. There are war, for about 4 hours, and be there wrestle. You understand that I peg? Remember come back in that peg there like one iceberg shape. And I peg down, they rush him and they see start back off down when they go rush him with the peg. Yes, man, when you go near her heart. Near her heart. You understand? So she get weak. Yes, she get weak.
So you have to aim for the heart.
Yes, you have to aim for the heart. No way else. No back or shoulder, up there, neck or no way. This is what you have straight to your heart.
Me them say no gun, no
silver, no gun, not that all.
You should not be afraid of craft.
Yes. So keep your eye open.
But we never used to hear about no vampire. So all of a sudden we are hear about vampire. We never used to hear about no vampire and them thing there. So
and the anniversary though.
And the anniversary?
Yeah, 30 years though.
Oh, wow.
And the 30 years though. So they come back up again because they read from about 83 years though.
83.
Yeah, they read from about
30 years now for true.
You understand? So a big feast now.
Okay. Not just that still, you see me. So I'm going to come link you back to that.
My friend that day there, I love me still have feel back clean up.
Really?
Sit there. Yeah, I love me till I sit for me to sit in the car. When we drink this, I sit there. For daytime now. You just keep me away from all of them. Hear my voice, O God, and by prayer. Preserve my life from fear of the enemies. Hide me from the secret counsel of the wicked. From the insurrection of the workers of iniquity. Oh Lord, them rise up again for one more little pity them. This little devil, they say, anyway she never go find her, you know. We go find her. So you wait.
You know you say, a girl bite out a man in North London last night, you say, again? What you mean? Again? That go on, boy.
Me book a new girl, you know. I go check her around 12 o'clock, you know.
Then so be really, I go check girl after a man, just to see one girl a grown and bite out people. That's time I tell you the man to live on the yard, the woman, you know. Long time I tell you that.
I'm going to lie to them and tell man, I'm stab up man and everything there, man.
Alright, go check the girl tonight and see what go on.
Go on. I go down there, you know. Yeah? Check her, you know.
Alright, man, when you come tell me how I go on, because I don't have my girl, I my steak already, you know. I don't have it tonight when I move, you know, so I saw me a flex.
George, what do you say?
Simple thing, man.
Alright, sir.
Vampire, nothing, working late.
Alright.
Street and I go on because you know it's a be a vampire thing I go on the road from. I come off our street before 12 o'clock from me. John, trust me, dog. Yeah! Yo, dog. Don't do them thing for me. You don't know it's a vampire thing I go on. And you come frighten man and with the dog. You know joke thing the dog.
Yeah?
Come here, come off and I left you the road in the farm.
Yeah? No watch nothing, man. Everything good, man. You cool, though?
Yo, nobody the vampire.
Yes, man. Bless.
Don't know, fam.
Yes, sir.
Then?
Come link me out. You know we run out 26 Square Line Road. Just come knock on the door. Yeah, wait for you, alright? Alright, see you soon.
Said you like my body, boy. Where you gonna get some? But you're getting something else tonight. Oh, I know you fell for me, boy, tonight. You can't be true, boy. That's right. 'Cause I am not a real girl. I got business after 12. 'Cause I am not a girl. Oh, say I am not a girl. Oh, say I am not a girl. Oh, say I am not a girl. Hey.
She will take your life like a death in the night. She will make your body shiver when she dim your light. You shoulda listen what your granny told you. You shoulda never trouble, car trouble never trouble you. This is a warning to every girl is careful who you are bring back to your palace. Not just Alice, a girl from Paris. 'Cause them a gal that them a burn you like a chalice.
Hello. How are you?
I'm good, yeah?
Nice to meet you.
Alright, come in.
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm alright, man. Just there, I'm relax, watch on telly, you know?
Okay, so what are you watching?
A movie.
Okay, it's not scary movies,
No,
is it?
no.
Because I do like scary movies.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Oh,
good.
you're so gorgeous.
You too. Can find in the night.
Oh.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, please. I don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah. You go and get a drink, yeah?
Alright.
Oh, wow. What are we having?
Yeah, man.
What's here? Wow. Your phone's ringing, babes.
Don't pay no attention, man. Make it you want it.
Okay, that's really nice. Hey. Let's drink to us.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Have a good night, yeah?
Okay. Well, for me today, I was just busy looking after bits and pieces.
Okay.
Because like I said, I do love scary movies.
I like scary movies still, but
Do you like vampires?
not too much, but I watch it, now and then,
Okay. When I was growing up, they used to talk about duppy stories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Are you scared of duppies?
No, not really. I don't believe in that, but sometimes I don't know what I'm going.
Okay.
Alright, boss.
Yeah. Alright,
Anyway, enough of the long talking. Yeah, can I take your drink?
Yeah, no
Put it away for you. You shy, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm trying it.
Don't be shy, guys.
I like to smile, you know? Smile nice and thing. Oh, your hairstyle look wicked. Nice hairstyle. And the ears ring and stuff.
You're making me blush now.
Look like I was going to come into a party, eh?
No, I just wanted to come and see you.
Just up to nice? Alright, that's good, man.
You haven't called me.
No, man, the credit kind of done still, yes, you get me.
Oh, no, you should have just missed called me. I would have called you back. So what have you been up to lately, anyway?
Oh, nothing much, you know, just work, home, and relax, you know. Right now, me and man, I talk about some vampire thing, you know.
Vampire?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh my God.
I believe in a vampire now. I have a steak and a garlic now. Juke and steak and the vampire come boy. So you're safe with me now.
Some Caribbean food. The best one is in North London.
I'm not going. There's vampires down there.
There is no vampires. Martha, I want some Caribbean food. I'm really, really hungry.
What do you understand? I said N-O. My God, are you fucking mad or what? Weź Sandra to. Go and pick up your earrings.
What do you want, Mum?
Weź sobie te kolczyki.
Where are they?
Gorzki się zapytają.
Na kogo mam
No te kolczyki co sprzedam.
How the girl there follow me, sir? What if you're one of them vampire girl them, sir? Oh, the girl bite me, you know. Ross, how you reach here, sir?
Okay. Baby, I've got something to tell you.
This is a girl tune.
Of course.
Yo, dog, give me this right now. You know, dog. You see any girl you know seen at the day? Forget about them girl. Cause right now, that be a vampire thing going on. You see me? So any girl you know, nobody meet a girl on Facebook or no BB. Make sure somebody here know and see in a day. You see me? And furthermore, just go and hold it off of the road, dog. That'll be a mad thing going on. Where the thing going on, mad dog, Jano? You know, advice if you're not even to the road off of dog. Dog, I'm a joke thing. Yeah, laugh, dog. You know, you are going over my side, man.
No, what happened?
You're not saying you watch the news, dog. I'll be a vampire thing going on. I have some girl over my side. I'm going to be people, man. So that's why I'm going to tell you if you go and lock it out on the street. I'm going to tell you, dog, right now, not even a joke. Let me say the girl, you don't know from day that. You don't see that the day, not even going to link them, girl. Forget about the girl thing, you know. I'm not even too touch the road. I'm going to tell you. I'm a local cousin, dog. I'm going to want nothing happen to you. See me? Your father, I did just a pass through. I'm here one link, come see you, see me, and come here still. So you don't know, you know. Want to go and do your thing, man. But you can't sing your tune, but just love the girl things, you know.
I've been hearing enough about this vampire. Where's this vampire? I want to get bitten. Where are you? You ain't here. Why don't you come get me, you fucking bitch? I want to be immortal. I want to live forever. Come bite me. I want to be one of you. Where are you? This fucked up life. I'm not living it no more. I don't want to be in it no more. I want to be a vampire. I want to get bitten. Where are you? Where are you? I'm right here, man.
My girl. You're just wasting your time.
But where are you?
Don't worry about that. Listen to me, yeah? You see that vampire there? She don't bite girls. A man alone. And the reason for that is because she did have a lover one time too. And one night she and him go hunt. The guy find a girl. And him did for bite her, but the girl was so nice. Him fall in love with the girl and never bite her. So, one day, like when she was sleeping, the boyfriend and the girl was making love. And the noise wake her up. And she went and saw them, but they never knew that she saw them.
Okay.
So, she waited till him go and hunt the night. She just kill the girl and tell him say she escaped. And then another day now, him start sleep and she never go sleep. She wait till him fall asleep. Then she just bite him and suck out all him blood. And from him suck out all him blood, that means say him can't live again. When she suck out the whole of your blood, you're gone forever. So, from that, she not like man.
Okay.
So when she see a man a flirt or cheat on the woman, she go after them man there. Or any man way flirty. So, she not go bite you, so you only waste your time.
But I want to get bitten. I want to be immortal.
Why though?
I don't
Why?
want to be a human being on this planet. I want her to bite me and let me have the powers that she has over man. Why can't I be involved?
But why, my girl? Why you want to get bitten?
Because I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this life. I don't want to be here living a normal life.
Well, your boyfriend and get trouble too.
Don't know how to treat a woman.
Don't worry, man. You're a pretty girl, man. You will get a next boyfriend, man. Enough.
I don't want a next boyfriend. I want that vampire life. I hear enough talk about it. I want to be involved. Like, where are you? She ain't here.
She not go bite it, so makes sense. I just go home, yeah?
Just go on, man. And don't watch the man that will hurt your feelings, man. You'll get better than him, man.
I hope so.
You're a pretty girl. I see you're pretty, don't you? Look. Go on, man.
I'm done here anyway. She ain't coming.
The man, your family must look for you or something, man.
No
See
one
me?
ain't looking for me.
Yeah, man. Trust me. I know your family must worry, man. Yeah?
They ain't looking for me. That's why I want to be part of this. I don't want to be sitting here.
Trust me. You might feel say them no miss you, but them will miss you, man. Trust me. Yeah? Yeah, man. Go on, man. See? Take care, yeah?
Alright.
Bye.
Hey, my brother. What did it happen? If I follow you here, what did happen yesterday? Oh, man, a long thing. That girl just put me for a long thing, you know. What's going on? How you doing? I've been waiting for you, man. You're taking too much long. Oh, 30 minutes is too long, man. I can't wait. Okay then. Just come along with that thing. Trust me. Bro, I can't wait to see that. I don't tire. Hey, what's that? Who is that? Man, I thought I had somebody passing. Boy, you know what happened? I swear right now. I thought I saw somebody passing beside me, you know, but I swear I don't see it. Maybe I'm dreaming, I don't know. Yeah, well, yeah. What are we doing now, right now? Yeah, I can't wait, man. I just want to catch much fun tomorrow morning. I don't forget about that one, that small one. If you see tomorrow morning, we go sort that one out. Trust me. I bet, confirm. Tomorrow morning, we go sort it out. Yeah? Who are you? What the hell? Who are you?
Hang while I hang. I got shooters that's gon' shoot. Bullets going through your brain. Higher than a plane. Smoking cushy to the brain. Look, face. I'm 300, so I know she going. Ain't much I got to say. We see money with that tech. I got a problem round my way. This the 30 ain't finna do nothing. It keep falling off my waist. Baby girl, put your pants up. I only want your face. Call broski. I don't need no fucking hang. Shooters on the jackets, you can get your ass changed. Radio Santana got your run up the same thing. Undershot tech, I don't need no fucking hang. Shooters on the jackets, you can get your ass changed. Radio Santana got your bitch screaming my name. I don't fuck with lames, nigga, please stay in your lane.
Let's him blow like let's him blow like I'm not taking that no damn fuck running train, we gon' roll the train, big propane like no game. Bitch, I'm so insane, this boys I want. Open Gangnam Style.
Yo, my brother, where you going? There, man. On the road, I go, you know, I check some people. Some people call them about some trainers and some shit. I may have them. I 180 in a shop, I sell them for 80 pounds. Yeah. I don't know, man. I'm a 3 stripe and I brother straight Adidas and a dog. Yeah, man. Latest dog. Yeah. So I come up and check you then. I look on the thing. Yeah. I go to the green man and go back to Empire. Yeah. For real, man. Yeah, I'm on it. Yo. You good? I'm gonna tell you, man. Live, man. I realist, man. Oh no, I want to know. Yeah. I got vibes, man. I'm a blood clot, yeah, bomber clot. Hey!
Stand up, you say, you know. They are going to stand up black, you know. Go easy, you know. So now they are going, you know, enjoy the summer and sit down. I don't know, you see. Yeah, because you look up for eat, you know. Yeah, because stand up, they say, you know. You know our thing that down.
Long time.
Yeah, than fire, me say, you know. I love your style, you think mad down. No, simple beat down.
Long time.
Yeah, because you don't know girl like you see me. You always put yourself together down. Yeah, man, stand out, you know. There's a little more, enough thing go on, barbecue along, echo band and all these things, and you see me? In the park and all these things, you get me? Yeah, man, don't so turn up, you know. And you can stand out, you know, you get me? Yeah. Yeah, man, real thing, man. Dog. What going that night? Stand out, me say, you know. Know that. What going, everything good? Yeah, pull up for the summer, dog. Don't look like hot dogs, for the gig. Yeah, no, dog, you know, say, I did me a drive to Galchester. Yeah. And pass a little. I run at the North Circle. Is it? Yeah, I'm going to Galchester and driving, but I reach a Galchester, I'm ready for move. I the man me see a Galchester. So what are they? I say run from go there. I must run the man run. He must have some head problem, like he lose two screw. Back out, the whole line screw back out, brother. Like he lose a flathead screw. Flathead. And if you come next stand out them, I'm going to some high grade and get up the screw. And give some really hard food. Yeah, because he look like a yard man too, you know. But a Rasta man still, man have some woman problem. Woman problem? Yeah. In this country, woman is so much. Yeah, woman pump on that shut all these things. You can buy it, get it free. You don't understand, man. Stand down. Yeah. Potty brown. What potty brown? What? Yeah. Back of my shoulder down these things. Yeah, so man, real airline now. Potty. You hear me? Make sure them boys get thing ever sat there, you know. Can you say thing around here, you know? Alright, because you don't know your world, you know. Alright, yeah, respect. Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man. Go on do your thing, man. Go on do your thing. Do your thing.
I do a man.
for some. If you want some, just ask now. Bumbleclot a vampire. Whoa!
I wasn't thinking about going to that party later, you know, who your friends are going. Because that vampire thing is mad.
No, I'm not going to no party, you know. I'm not even free to left my yard after dark. I'm go down to the shop right now, go look some garlics, you know. Cannot even cross them vampire, I'm afraid, you know. I don't know them so bad, you know. But I'm go down to the shop, my baby. I'm going to get some garlics. Boss man.
Yes,
This is
Yeah. Thank you. Back. Thanks very much.
Nice one. I see you later, man. Nice one.
Books.
What go on with those?
Cool, man. Be a mad thing, be a vampire thing.
Yeah, man. I know, man. I'm girl. We just go by me, dope.
I see you sitting there.
Yeah, man.
Everything good, though.
Yeah, so far.
Let's go, man. I'm glad to see you, my brother, man.
Now
Come
send on
yourself,
the
man.
dopes.
Heart of love, man.
All right.
Think plug in, man.
More love.
Yeah, man. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Now say nothing.
So, babe, my friend's having a party later. Do you want to come?
Yeah, so where's the party?
Just down the road.
So what time is the party?
Anytime after 12?
Yeah, man, we come at the party. May I link some of my friend them, and we'll come at the party. I want enough girls there, you know.
Yeah, man, come on. All of my friends are hot. They're all going to be there.
Say she don't have no hot friend. Of course. Alright then, we'll link up and phone her, and when you're ready, we link up. And you phone me and bring me in.
Are you sure you're on it, like Sonic?
Yeah, man.
Like what?
Anytime,
Man, going to do it.
Yeah, we are some Mr. Brown.
I'm going to pass through now.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I'm here, so some killer, we're going to look for them. Yes, sir.
Yeah, alright, later.
Yes, sir. You sure you don't let me down?
Nah, man, we are some Kavasi here and we don't junk them and deal with them case proper. And you know we do it already, Jamaican style.
I want to station named Natural Vibes.
Natural Vibes, yeah man,
Yeah,
near
man.
the station, the
Yeah,
man.
man.
It's an Irish station, man.
Irish station, man. And them rate Machine Man too. Them rate me because one of the manager them see me in the street and say, Machine Man, I want you to come give them a little freestyle Wednesdays and thing. So me I say, well, it's well possible.
Them
But
play
me
roots
the
music?
Yeah, man. Right across the body, I can chat with me, man. But I don't know. When time me turn up, me always want to give a good performance. You understand me? Now the lyrics them support everything. You understand me? You see me?
True.
Yeah, because we place this and things. So really want the people know say we are push the music. Because I have some good music too, you
Yes,
know.
my lord. We have some Irish music, we
Yeah,
have some
man.
cultural music, uplifting music. You know, to elevate the heart and the mind and the soul and to bring new life. Music
a new music, like a new wine in a whole bottle, my lord.
Because you see, enough of the youth them now realize the message fit in the music.
True. My lord.
So, when even you have some radio personality, you know, a cater for the local artists them.
Well, you know, you see a little party going on the road there. How it a go?
Why, to me I hear say like it get cancelled, you know. The man must say them now come out after 12 o'clock. Some vampire thing are going, serious thing. You know much man get bite already.
True.
So, I think the promoter really want do nothing, because I notice at night time people they want push out after 12 o'clock.
True.
That's in the year. I mean, you as a rat, you know that 12 o'clock are not everything.
After 12 o'clock, me in my yard, I sleep, my lord.
You know them can't catch man like you, them place.
No, my lord. And as a Bobo Rasta, I'm in a real. But as me come out of the Sabbath still, me will observe what I go on.
No, man. But now both go down the road, they are still enough. Respect, hear fire.
Rastafari. Blessed Lord. My lord.
Yo, my dog.
What go on? Yeah, you don't know say you may come down the road tonight, you see me? And I see a girl star with her face full of blood. Come out of the car star, you see me? But me have to just stay in the car and pray her, you see me? And you see the house she go in the dog, you see me? The window them black out. So most the blood clot vampire girl that you hear that.
I like that tell dog. Big man thing. So where they? Yeah man, I get nearby dog man. I see a word, I come link, right? See?
Yeah, say I come link my dog, don't move.
You're a daddy. Now pick up two peg, you know, because I get a peg when you're done, you know. Now pick them up and come link, you see? So don't move.
Alright, then I'm there, yeah.
Yeah. You know where the girl live for real, dog?
Yeah.
Mad thing? Dog, I keep missing a dog. You know, until the man of this year you don't stop the girl, no dog. It's cool, no man. But them tell us alone can kill her, no dog. Big man thing, yeah? Yes. So where she there? Over there, sir? Yeah. You're a dog. So now like you want to go down, but to come back out still. We have to do it before sun go down, you know, dog. You see me? Yeah, man. More thing, dog. Yes, sir, dog.
Right, yes, sir, dog.
We have to hold it down the way, dog. We have to camp. You see the window?
You see me?
Yes, sir, can pick the lock, dog. Come up before the sun, because the sun like you all want to go down, but it will come back out still. Oh, you say I pick it?
Yeah, give me something.
Dog, you know me have a key you can open any door. I tell you, mad thing, use the one, dog. Or this the one. Take your time, dog, because we don't want to leave it.
she see him on the screen.
Alright, no say nothing, dog. Dog, give me the cover this, dog. Cover the wing, dog. I'll have to try to make flow. Yo, dog, pull the curtain, dog, pull the curtain. Dog, pull the curtain. Go on, fam.
Go on, my brother.
Thing good?
Thing good.
You mean, man?
Sorry, that's a drink and thing.
What do you mean, man?
Yeah, man, bless.
And them supposed to make a move to our country and thing, you know.
Am I bring way? In? Long time, I tell him, brother, I need more about certain things.
Sure.
Certain man.
Most of the things that go up on the road will and truly, but nobody now do what we are doing.
Boy, my brother, all more and do is see me can come up with some good music, because the only way man can live right now, and see how things are run.
True.
Not doing this much. If you know do something for yourself,
nobody now do it.
Nobody now go do it.
No time at all. No time at all. We have to move like us.
Brother, okay, we get a good plan, we can buy it. You know what?
Put my headphones on the right track, you see me I say?
Then I can hear my music in the background I play, man.
Sure.
I that me work
That's
on
my work for real right now. Definitely. Boom. And I'm gone. Then I'm gone.
Bang, bang.
Then I'm back. Then I'm gone. Then I'm gone. Then I'm gone.
Yeah, I'm the bang bang nigga, you can see me on the block. I'm rolling with my girl and I'm going to the shop. As I come, get me, I gonna put that at the back. Put the liquor sister and him brother little flat. In my face. Boom. Then I'm gone. I don't know tune this, you know. And you know, Mr. Man cross your store around with your country. Yeah, man, country them.
Yeah, fam, you know, you have to be careful because what them hear say a vampire and they loose over them place, you know.
No, my brother. Them find the vampire girl up at that and they say with a stake in her chest. The man them burn it up too. them done that, my brother. So this safe again, we can't walk.
I love that.
And you know we still run vampire.
That means a big night you have found back there.
What's wrong? Come in. Where are you from? So you're running from London to Manchester?
Mama never tell me say the vampires was coming to town. She never tell me say the vampires would be coming to town. Yeah. Some say it is a movie. Some say it ain't real. Some man say you can believe if you want. Believe what you feel, yeah. Some say it is a mystery. Some say it is in history, yeah. The vampires are coming to town. Coming to town. The vampires are coming to town. Yeah. Miss Marty, she warned her son. She said, don't touch the road after the sun go down. But him never listen. Him say him don't believe. Him say, no, you can't tell me nothing, 'cause the vampires isn't real. No, man, you're alarmed at school. What you do to me at school? Don't worry about it.